Hi, my name is Joe Andrulis. I'm Vice President of Marketing for AMX, and we're here at InfoComm 2014 talking about some of the great new product introductions this year. And first of all, I'm going to reference our little teaser campaign that we had going, which was Join the Cause. And we used some propaganda-style revolutionary posters to convey an idea that this year we were trying to upset the traditional focus of AV that only delivered AV to the premium spaces and now focus on a set of products that would make AV available to all meeting spaces and users of all types. So let's take a quick walk through the booth and I'll show you some of our exciting new products that deliver on our promise to empower the people. So one of the great trends that we're seeing today is a real interest and support for small meeting room spaces and small classroom spaces. And one of the things that's necessary there is a lot of the same capabilities in the high-end space, but at a price point and a convenience and simplicity level that makes it accessible to all user types. And so to address that market, we've introduced a great new product. It's called Enzo. It's this tiny little box that you see right here. One of its wonderful features is how easy it is to install. All you do is connect two cables, an HDMI cable and an Ethernet cable. It's actually powered over Ethernet, so there's not even a separate power supply. Once connected, it powers on, boots up, and you're presented with this incredibly simple little screen. When you start a session with Enzo, you instantly have access to all the common functions that you need in a conference room, like access to your documents. Enzo also supports a very flexible feature called screen mirroring. With screen mirroring, you can instantly project your content wirelessly from any of the devices that you bring into the room, iOS devices, Android, tablets, phones, Windows, Macs, any of those devices, you can instantly connect to Enzo in a secure fashion so that only members within the room can share their content, and it will show that content instantly on the screen. Any number of users can share in this manner. Costs nothing extra to add to Enzo. It's already all built in. If you want to add people not in the room, not to worry, Enzo includes web conferencing. Through Skype and with Link, you can instantly connect and join others into your meeting space, share content with them this way, share content using the screen mirroring function all simultaneously. In support of that, we're also introducing a new dedicated web conferencing camera dedicated to the unique requirements of the small meeting space. So unlike some of the other cameras on the market, it's very low cost, only $250 MSRP, but has the features that you find in a very expensive camera. So what we've introduced this year is an entire new line of digital media switchers called Solstice. A popular trend we're seeing in small meeting space, and even more particularly in education settings, is these collaborative workstations, where you might have 4 to 6 people assembled in a work group, and they're all collaborating using their technology devices, PCs and such, all working on a project. And yet they want to work together, so they need to perhaps show that content on a local screen. And this is a utility line of switchers that provides basic switching functionality designed expressly for this kind of environment. So the line includes a variety of different input-output configurations. What we're showing in this table is a 5x1. We also have a 4x1 with 4 HDMI inputs and 1 output, and it's 8x1 for a little bit larger workstations. So these allow simple switching between all these devices and a local display. It also includes a distance transport option so that you can project it to the main screen up in the front of the room. The NX series fully replaces all the functions of the existing NI series, but includes much higher horsepower processors, far more memory, and a lot of important features that are needed in today's corporate environment. So it supports IPv6, security features like 802.1x, all of which are essential to a safe and secure deployment in today's corporate environment. The new line of Massio ControlPads provides all of the functionality and power of the NX controller. In fact, it includes the exact same hardware foundation as the NX controllers, but incorporates it in a low-cost, small enclosure that also features a keypad. Rapid Project Maker addresses a very common problem, which is the cost and complexity of programming an AV system. Rapid Project Maker now removes the programming barrier by substituting a simple configuration experience that allows even end users to fully configure even a complex meeting space with all the typical AV technology that that space might feature, using a simple configuration tool that lets them complete the job in mere minutes.